down.
I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, go, and I'm go. You know, blow the fuck out of it.
Really? You don't do 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3?
All right, 1, 2, and then on 3 go. I'm going 1, 2, 3, blah!
Okay.
Blah! Blah!
Wait, so 1, 2,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so go on 3, go on 3.
So I'm gonna go 1, 2. Yeah.
1, 2. Hey, still say 3 though.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
I fucking love it.
Party, party.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! One, two, three, go! Oh, no, you missed.
So the Shelby had a packed car and it was bone stock. This 5.0 is full exhaust and tune, well, intake and tune. But the GT350 has what, 525 horse, 526 horse? And this, I'd say what, 450, 445 crank maybe? So on that very first run, going into third gear, this thing started going sideways on the highway, like just a little bit. Started getting a little swirly, so I had to let off real quick and then get back on it. It usually happens in this car. First and second definitely does it, but now that I got the headers on, sometimes even second and third, going into third gear, it would just start spinning a little bit, and I gotta let off because if I keep my foot on the gas, we could end up right there, hitting that tree. I tried filming this little talk last night, but it was pouring rain. You couldn't even hear me. It's still raining now the next morning, but it's not that bad, so I just gotta, you know, fill in the rest. After the first run, the next couple runs were pretty fair, I'd say. I don't think either of us jumped. And then, well, that last one I missed fourth gear. We were doing a 60, and I don't know, I really tried pushing the car. Because sometimes I shift early, guys. Like, I don't even shift at 6900. Sometimes, like, I shift at 65. Like, some people ask why I short shift second. If I really shift at 69, I gotta shift kind of slow. Otherwise, it's not gonna go into gear. I either just don't have the sauce, or my clutch is starting to act up a little bit. Because I'm still on the stock clutch. 71,000 miles. Have not changed this clutch at all. I haven't really gotten any problems. But now that I've set it, watch. I probably just don't have the sauce. I need a better driver line. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I don't know what year Shelby GT350 that was, but full exhaust and tune 5.0 against a stock GT350 with a packed car. So let me know what you guys think. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe. I would love to give you guys a little pull, but yeah, not in this weather. Still planning on doing all the modifications I talked about in that one video. Just waiting for Texas, man. Patiently waiting. I'm super excited. I cannot wait. I got like 3 more weeks. I know I keep saying that, but all this shit's gonna take time. This whole thing is gonna take some time, man. not go by fast, guys.